This one.
You need to have a direction of the fish, and you can't just place them anyhow.
Hey, what do you want?
Yeah, no. Okay, so the second layer, I need to place them in between the tails of the first one. So what this does is it turns the fish. It gives some brownish color to the fish.
It's a banana. It's a banana. Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cookie with Sindaco, and I'm back again. Today I'm in Simpa or Winneba, and Winneba is known to be seaman's land or fisherman's land. And in this video, we'll be seeing how they smoke fish after the seaman or the fisherman has brought the fish from the sea. So most of this job is a family business. The man will go to the sea to get a fish, and the woman will be at home smoking, and later they will sell everything together. And one thing about today's video is that the song in the background actually goes with the video. Yeah, it goes with it. This song was composed in this town. It's called a Farfundrum or fisherman's song. So they sing to cheer them or to entertain themselves whilst working. Yeah, hope you like this video. Tell a friend, tell a brother, share, like, comment, subscribe. Let's do this. Orkodo, one.
Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is boy Cookie with Sindaco, and I'm back again. Yeah, I'm Winneba right now, and I'm somewhere close to the sea, yeah, where they smoke fish. You can see behind me. So right now, what you have done? You don't for Jassy. Okay, so now we are smoking fish and Simon. Okay. Okay, so we are smoking fish and we have Mommy over here. What you can hide, yeah. So we have, so she's the one who smokes fish. Anyway. So today we are here and she's smoking mackerel, no as salmon and some herring and all those stuff. Yeah. So we're here today and she'll be taking us to process how she does the smoking and everything. Yeah. Hey, oh, probably more name. Oh, we are very fine. Yeah. Now, for sure, friend, I didn't. Yeah, in China, one can I am French. What would I tell you when I no, no. I want to change. I want you, but I bet you that didn't change. Bet you. Messi, Papa, Nina, tell me, like how many? Eddie, I'm not telling you, baby. I don't know 1 hour. Nina, we have one other. We are not telling you. Ah, okay. So I'm asking you how because I've seen layers of what do you call it? The woods. That's it. Okay. Okay, so now it's been like 30 minutes since I've been here and the first layer is okay, so you're about to change it. Wow. So now it's changing and this one will come down. You see the color change? Wow. Answer more 10 or no? Answer more 10. I had about a son. I said no. If I had it, I you can okay. So this was the first layer, and you see how brownish the thing looks like. So now behind. Now I'm turning in the. Okay. So after it's cold, after everything is done, you set this aside and wait until it gets cold before you start turning them. And by on some call you beam.
Oh, what you do? You are the best.
Hey, beam. And my I roast the other side and so. Okay. So we are turning the fish and this is how it's done. Okay. So we have this markings over here. So this marking tells you that this fish was like this. So now it's supposed to be like that. Okay. So you take much of it. Take much of it.
Hang glove one day.
It's more difficult. And it's in the fabric. And it's in the fabric. Okay. So you take much of it and try to.
Yeah, because now I want to. Oh, what
thing is it? But it's not the same. So
I would do one discount.
You need to have a direction of the fish, and you can't just place them anyhow.
Hey, hello, now.
Okay, so the second layer, I need to place them in between the tails of the first one. Yeah, so it's interesting to be among this kind of place when they are working out here. When they are working, like
How much?
I look at it. Okay. So you can call me Sindaco the fish seller, as I say. Yeah. So no more Sindaco. Sindaco the fish seller. No, the mackerel seller. I'm coming. Yeah. Fresh. Yeah. Adangwa, fish adangwa. So here they grill all kind of fish from mackerel to koku to tuna to whatever, herrings, like all the fish, all kinds. So see this fish. This fish had a different fish. Look. No match, no see as action no circle. Yeah. So one of these fish, so one of these fish will go for 3 cedis. Yeah, so 3 cedis will be like $0.50, something like that. So 50 cents. Yeah, this 50 cents. Yeah, 1 for 50 cents. Yeah, so we done with our fish arrangement and that one is on fire and yeah, very soon. Yeah, so as in the process, along the way, you need to taste to see how the fish is going. Just take a bite. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah.
I'll show you.
I'll show you. Okay, so this fish will be different. You can tell from here. There's nothing here, so this is Jassy and we enjoy this morning. Okay. Yeah. Wow. Fresh fish from the seaside, yeah? That's direct from the seaside. The sea is just over here. 1 kilometer by the seaside. So these ones are ready and it's ready for packaging and to be sent to the market. interesting stuff. So you see layers. These are herrings and other stuffs. I don't know much about fish, the names of the fish, but they have local names that they call. Yeah, this is called Iban and the other stuff. Mixed. There are two different kinds of fish mixed here. You could tell from this point, this and that are not the same. Yeah. This plantain skin over here serves a secret or some mystery stuff. You see that it's being placed inside the fire. So what this does is it turns the fish. It gives some brownish color to the fish. Yeah, that's the main thing. So now everything is being said. These ones over there are ready for packaging, and this is the setup how they package, because everything will be in like kind of a basket form, and it will be transported to the market. So the baskets will be placed inside this net. So that you're firm, so that you're able to be firm, solid enough. She's using the bowl, the plastic bowl, and she has this paper. Normally it's cement paper. The clean part, not where the cement was kept. You know, cement paper has layers, so using the clean part, and arrangement will be done.
So that's it for today. You've seen how they smoke fish, yeah? I'm Mane, Arokodo. Yeah, the fish I'm trying is very hard. It's being smoked in a way that can be kept for a year. So hope you like this video. Give us a thumbs up, follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn notification bell so you'll be notified when new video drops. Let's meet again for Shazam and Nizzle, Cooking with Sindaco. Tell a friend and tell a brother. I'm out. 1.